Welcome to the first update of our £0 to £1,000 challenge, week 1. If you want to see how we did, then stay tuned. Welcome to Rich Money Tips, where we show you how to save, earn and grow your money. So we've started the challenge to make £1,000 from absolutely nothing. It's called our £0 to £1,000 challenge, and we did it because anyone can do this, and we're going to show you how. So the main rule of this was starting with actually zero money, using things we've learned to grow it from nothing. So we had a little think about ways we could start, and we came up with 3 ideas: to claim some offers, like selling stuff around the house, or providing services. And we thought, if anyone needs to do this, we need to claim some free offers. So we claimed some freebies to kick us off. If you want to do the same, just follow along. So first up, we headed over to a site called Coinbase. Now, purely went over to this site because they claim we could have $115+, which works out to about £90, and we'd be really happy if we could claim that to get us started. Please don't forget to hit that like button if you're getting value from it, if it's helping you. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see further updates, and it helps us grow. Really appreciate it. So we headed over to Coinbase. Our first video was something to do with Kyber. We did it. We earned $2 watching that. We did another one at lesson 2 and another $2 from that. We also did the lesson 3 and earned $2 from that. So that's $6 in total. We went on to the next one, which was Compound, and we watched a few videos, $3 each. I think it was $9 in total watching those videos. Literally 2-3 minutes long, answer a question and get paid. We went over to the next coin. This was Stellar. We watched a few videos and $2 each. We also invited some friends, and they paid us $10 to invite a friend to do the same. So we earned $50 in total. Then we went on to the next coin, EOS. We watched a few videos. It was lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we watched all of them and some dollars from that. It also gave us the option to invite some friends. We invite up to 4 friends, get $10 each. We have so far invited 3. We've got 1 left. We've got the link in the description below. Click it and earn some coins. We then blasted through the next one, which was called Orchid. We earned $4 per video, I think. You could also invite some friends, up to 4 friends. We've so far invited 1. Got a link in the description below for 3 more people if you want to claim this coin, guys. Click the link, help us out. We'll get the coin as well as you. Next one was Die. We watched a few videos. This was simple, $6, 3 videos, $2 each. Went over to the next one. Again, don't want to go into great detail, but we earned $6 from this one as well. There was another we couldn't yet claim, as you can see, it's on a wait list. So we've got $6 there, just waiting to claim. We've just got to wait till we get emailed to do that. So far, how much? We earned £108 from watching some videos. We withdrew it to PayPal straight in there. I'm going to use it to help us grow some money for the next part of the challenge. For the next part, we use something called match betting, which we use money to grow money. So popular, we're going to show you exactly how to do it. If you've not watched the videos before, I'll pop up a link here or in the description below. Watch it, explains exactly what we do. We had to wait till Saturday when the Premier League started, so we did no betting. Before that, that was all about videos. We went over to the first bookie, which was Coral. As you can see, we got £20 in free bets when we bet £5. We used a site called OddsMonkey to help us choose what to bet on. So let's bring this up. This is what we did, just real quick how to use this. We filter, we select the match odds. Now the match odds are just easy to get started. You either bet on one team or the draw. We limit, we choose Betfair to get started. Just the most easiest exchange to start with. The back odds for this offer, we needed 1.5 as a minimum, and we wanted some today. And that day we did this was Saturday. Okay, if we apply it, it will bring up all the matches, all the best matches to bet on. And it's just loading. This should bring up everything that's a really close match that qualifies us for this offer. So let's just hide the filter real quick. And we just need to select it on Coral, the Coral in the drop down. and this will show us all the best matches on this bookmaker. Now, OddsMonkey have a free trial at the moment. Have a look in the description below to get started with that. We use this to help us with all our matches, tell us what to bet on. Here we go, and we want to bet really on a Premier League or something, a Championship, something popular. So let's have a quick look. If you highlight over it, it actually says what league it is. Here we go, Premier League, West Ham and Newcastle. It's a 95%. Ideally we want 97, 98, but we'll take a 95 if that's what's there. Click the I, and it should bring up the actual calculator that we use. It just should take a second. It's definitely slow, so it knows I'm recording this. So, here we go. So it brings up, it tells you what the odds are, both on the bookmaker and the exchange. If I'm using some terms that you're not familiar with, please check out my other videos. I go through it in a bit more detail. So there's enough available at the exchange. So it's a normal bet. We're betting £5 as per the offer. So I click normal here, £5. These are the odds. Now the commission, just make sure you're on the right commission. I think Betfair have a 0% commission when you sign up first 30 days. And just make sure, if it is, you put 0 there. If not, 5% is the standard. So just double check that. You should be able to find it in your settings. If you're not sure, look in the help section. So we click this, we go to Coral, we place a bet there, we go to Betfair, we place it there. So the liability really low, £4.80, which is needed Betfair. So we use that £108, use a little bit of it into Betfair, use the £5 in Coral, and we should stand to lose 25p, which is fine. We do this to unlock £20 in free bets, which we then should make about £16 on, depending on what matches there are. So to do this, we use this column. This is the SNR, which means stake not returned. If you're not sure that, OddsMonkey have some tutorials about what it is. I might do it in a future video. This column, we look for our first bets. The second column, we look for the free bets. And we want the number between 75 to 80 is called perfect, but we'll take what we get. So I click look. So we click the column, it sorts it. Here we go, 88. The odds are too high for that. There's 26. We need a huge liability for that. We don't have West Ham v Newcastle. It's Premier League. However, we've already bet on that, so we don't want to double that up betting on the other team. Championship is fine. Let me see, 65. We want 75%, which means we'll get £7.50 per £10. But 65% is fine. £6.50, so we should stand to make about £13 because it's £20 in free bets. So we click the free bet. So with Coral we got the 20, so we put 20 here. Now this is a free bet, so it's not our money. Coral actually allowing us to bet this. So £20, just double check the odds and everything here. As it says, the profit will be £12.86, which is about £13, like I said. And a liability of £31, which is fine. We have that much from our offers. So that's it for that offer. I won't walk through all the bets we did as it will take time, but so we've done the Coral offer, then I went over and we did the Sky Bet offer, which is bet £5, get £30 free, and then the Hills offer, bet £10, get £30. And this was the Sky Bet offers we did, and can you believe it or not, I did forget to screenshot the William Hills offer. But how much did we make then? Let's hit the spreadsheet. So this is our challenge. This is where I'm logging it all. Week 1, as you can see, initially we put down the coins we claimed, how much we got from each one. It was paid in dollars, had to convert it back to pounds, and then withdraw if there was any fees on that. We did that. So it was about £108 we got from that, which is a nice chunk to get started on the bets. So for the Coral here, we made, it's about £12.50 in total. Then we made about £19 from the Sky offer, and then we made a good just under £22 on the Hills offer. It's really good, to be fair. So our first week 0, watched a few videos, earned some coins. We got to £108. We did a few bets, didn't take too long, not really pushed it that hard, and we're up to £161.97. We made about £50 from the bets. On the Saturday, didn't do anything on Sunday. I was putting this video together for you guys, and super happy with 161.97 as a total. Now comment below if you are following along, if you are doing it yourself. It'd be great to hear from you. If you do get involved in betting, we use OddsMonkey. There's a free trial in the description below. And once again, if you are getting value, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us. We really appreciate it. We've got lots to look forward to, guys. And we're really looking forward to week 2. Let's grow this even more. Let's see how we're doing. Thanks for watching, guys. And we'll see you on the next video. Happy earning.